Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dudu, founder of ProBiz Enterprise, which is a digital marketing company, and scaleonline.co.za, which is a design company. It's where you are right now. Okay, if you want to check out the website, it's www.scaleonline.co.za, and today we are going to be designing that intro that you guys just saw, which was highly inspired by Mandi Samputang, which is a South African YouTuber, and she's also an influencer. So if you want, you can check her out. She's really dope. So we're gonna be creating that intro. Her intro is actually nude, and then I decided to go for this whole pinkish tone, but you can definitely use whatever color that you want to use. It is your intro after all, darling. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the tutorial. So first things first, I would like for you to click on the link down below to create a Canva account. If not, you can always go to canva.com right here, and it will take you to your own Canva thing. But if you do not have an account, it will prompt you to create an account. You just need to put in your email or password and verify and all of that good stuff. Okay, after that you will reach this page. Once you reach this page, you're gonna come here to search your content or Canva. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's here, it's different, but just search wherever you can see that you can search. Okay, and then just say YouTube intro. What will you design? I want to design a YouTube intro. And then as you scroll down, you will see different templates. However, we want to create a blank canvas, so we're just gonna click on the blank one, and then after that you will see the white background. We want to change this background and make it whatever color that you would like to do. So I am going to click on this background just to get an accurate color of this. I'm going to click on plus, and I just want this color code. And then I'm going to click on the background. I'm going to come here to background color. I'm going to click here on plus. And then if you don't have a color and you want to play around with colors, you can just do the same thing. Click on plus. Here are all the different colors and stuff. So you can just, move it around and change it however you want it. Okay, so if you move it there, you can change it however way you want to. But if you have a color code, you would go here on plus and then click right there. Okay, and then now we are looking for these things, right? So the way that you find those are, okay, let me just camera screen icon. Okay, so now you are going to come here on elements, and then we are looking for these recording camera stuff. So you're just gonna go on this video, you're gonna come here on search, and then you are gonna type in camera screen icon. Okay, and then enter. And then you are going to see these different ones. So you can just scroll down and see like all the different ones that are here. Like as you scroll, you will find them. I'm going to choose, let's see. I am going to choose this one, but you can scroll all the way down, guys. Like these people have it all. So I'm just going to click on this one, the first one. I'm just going to click on it like that. And then I am going to drag it. Okay, so now here's the thing. Here's where you need to manipulate this thing. Okay, what you're going to do is you are going to come here on this color, this gray one. You want to make it white, and then you want to click on this again, and then click on crop. And then once you click on crop, you want to drag this and crop like so, okay? And then you want to then drag it even more like that, and drag it like that, okay? So I'm sure you're wondering, okay, but where's the other one? All right, we're just gonna click on this again and go on the gray again, and then make it white, okay? And then you are going to make it bigger. Make sure it aligns with this one. So it's gonna show a red dotted line to show that it aligns, okay? Let's see. Yeah, let's make it bigger. There we go. See, so it's on the same line. And then again, you're gonna click on here on crop, and then you want to drag it so you can, we don't need this middle part as well. And then there we go. And this is how you want it, okay? Okay, let's just bring this closer like that. Okay, cool. And now I'm going to put in this name Ratanang. So just gonna go to text. There we go. So I'm going to click on add a subheading. So I'm going to click on this one, but there are beautiful fonts that you can choose from, okay? So, but I'm just going to use this one, and then I'm going to put in the name Ratanang. Fun fact, I don't even know who Ratanang is. I'm just using a random name. And then underscore, and then a big letter M, and then I'm gonna come back here. I just want to see the font, so moon time 150. Okay, cool. So you're gonna come on this thing and then say command A or control A to cover the whole to select the whole thing. Then you're gonna come here for the fonts. There are beautiful fonts here, guys. Beautiful, thousands and thousands of fonts that are absolutely amazing. So you just come here, and then I'm just gonna type moon time because that is the one that I want. And then actually it wasn't this one, sorry, I took the wrong one. This one at the back, it's Montserrat Classic. So let's do that. There we go. This is the one that we're looking for. And then I just want to go back and see the font size. It's 130. So I am going to come here, Control A, Command A, and the font size I'm going to type in 130. And then I want to see the color. So the color is like a little purplish. So I'm just going to take that color. But remember, you can play with any colors that you want. Then I'm going to come here on text color plus, and then I'm just gonna paste in that color right here. And then what I want to do is I edited the what do you call it, the spacing, right? So the spacing is just the space between the letters. So let me just see what I did there. So I said 191 for the space in between the letters. Let me just see. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Control A, Command A. You come here to spacing, and then you say, how much was it? Oh my gosh, my memory is so bad. 191. Okay, perfect. 191, enter. And then what you want to do is you want to come here on more, and then I want it to be all caps. So I'm going to say here it says uppercase. And so I'm just going to make that an uppercase like that, okay? And then I am going to drag it all the way up. And then I'm going to come here to text again. And then I am going to take this one. And then I am going to write there Ratanang again. So Ratanang underscore M, okay? And then I am gonna come on here, moon time 150, right? Control A, Command A to select all of it, and then I am going to type in moon. I'm gonna come here on the fonts, right? And then I'm gonna say moon time. And then I am gonna go on effects to make it glow, and then I'm gonna click on neon. And then I am going to the intensity, whatever intensity that you would like. And then I'm going to come here to the text color, and I want it white. And then I am going to come on the font size, and then I'm going to make it 150. I hope you guys are following along. Okay, and then you are going to drag this all the way up right here. And then what you want to do is you want to click on that, double click, or Control A, Command A, animate it so that it can like be a typewriting situation on both. Okay, this as well, you want to animate it so that it also like is a typewriting situation on both. Okay, and then the subscribe button. So we are going to go on elements right here and then type in subscribe, and then you're gonna find beautiful different types of subscribe buttons. I think I am gonna take this one and then I'm gonna drag it down, and then I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller, not too much. And then also let's see, okay, I'm gonna also take the, as you can see here, the color on the main name and the subscribe is the same. So I am just gonna come on this one, and then I am going to click on the color plus, and then I'm gonna take the, I'm just gonna Control C to copy the color code. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna take this red and then plus, and then Control V to paste in that color code. Okay, just so it looks purple as well. And then I'm gonna move it slightly here, but I think this bell I also want it to be white, so I just went here on the gray, and then I chose the color white, right? And then you are gonna come here to elements again, and then you're gonna say click and then enter. And then which one did I take? Oh, I took this one, so let's just look for that one. Here it is. So I'm just gonna click on that, and then I am gonna scroll all the way down, and I mean I'm gonna make it smaller, and then this is how you want it. I'm also gonna click on this and animate, click on the subscribe button, animate it, and then make it pop. That's what I want on both, right? Cool. And then now we want the second page. So on the second page, what you want to do is you want this connect with me and her socials. Okay, so I am just going to click on plus, and then luckily it copies the color. And then what I want to do is click here on text, and then I am going to click on add subheading, and then I am gonna write there connect with me. Okay, and then it's Queen Mother, that's the name of the font. So I'm just Control A or Command A, and then I'm going to come here on the fonts, and then I am going to type in a Queen Mother. Okay, I think this is one of the fonts that I uploaded. I'm not sure. So if it is, if you can't find it, please just let me know, and I will show you how you can upload your own font that is not here. But actually they have all types of fonts that you could ever want. And then it's white 151. Okay, so I'm just going to change the size, font size right up here, and 151. And then color, text color, I want it white. And then, this font is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And you're just gonna stick it right here. You can animate at the same time. Click on animate, type right. Okay, for both. And then you want to then Twitter, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you want these three icons. So what you're gonna do is you go on elements, and then you type in Instagram for the Instagram icon. Which ones do we use? Or circular ones? So I'm just gonna click that one for the circular one. So Instagram, Twitter. So you can type in Twitter. It's just that sometimes when you click on something, it says magic recommendations, and then it gives you some of them. So I can also click on see all, so that it gives me the ones that are exactly like the first one that you chose. But it doesn't do that for each and every one of them, just some of them. But if you don't find what you're looking for, you just come on elements, search, and then just type in Facebook, and you will be able to what do you call this? So let's just take this up. Okay, and then we're looking for this purple color. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to take the font color plus and copy. As long as you say plus while it's on whatever color that you want, the color code should be the same. Okay, and then I am going to move it here, and then I'm going to click on the icon color plus paste that. Click on the another icon color. Usually then it saves, because it saves the colors that you are using a lot. Okay, so then I'm going to click on that color, and then I'm going to click on this one, and then that color right there. Okay, and then the easier way of also just not going to text the whole time, but okay, let's just go to text, add subheading. Okay, so what you want to do, what's my imaginary friend's name? Ratanang _M. Okay, so I am going to write there Ratanang _M. Should I say add? Okay, no. And then I am going to go to the text color, and then I'm going to make this purple, and then I am going to change the font. So you're going to come up here to the font, Control A or Command A, delete, and then type in whatever font you want. For me, I used Montserrat, so I'm gonna take that. Is that how you even pronounce it? And then you go back. Let's see what the spacing is 376. Remember, the spacing is the line in between the letters, so 376. So let's just do that. Double click, come here to spacing, type in the 376. Okay, and then you are going to drag this on the side. Okay, and then you are going to click somewhere else, then click on it, just so you make sure that it is taking the whole thing. Command D, Control D to duplicate it, then Command D, Control D to duplicate it. Okay, perfect. Let's just take this a little bit up and make sure everything aligns. Okay, like that. And then what you want to do is you want to click on this icon, animate it, make it pop. Click on that, animate. It's already going to be on animate, and then just make it pop. This one as well, just make it pop. Oh, you're supposed to say on both, right? So let's just say both, and this one, let's just say both, and then this one, let's see how this one is. Okay, how cute. So this one came in as like a, oh, it's this one, bounce. Okay, so click on bounce both. This one as well, bounce both. This one as well, bounce both. Okay, and then after that you are done. But let's just try and make sure everything is just fine. So I'm gonna select everything, okay, and then I'm just gonna move it around until I'm happy. There is a way to center it. I like doing it like alone like this, but I will show you guys in another video how you can like center everything. That is actually way easier. It's just a preference of mine, but I will show you guys probably in the next video. I'll just make a note of it, of showing you guys how to align things, like certain shortcuts and stuff like that that you could like probably use and prefer using, you know. So I'm just gonna drag this up a little bit. And now let's talk about the music. So you can go over here on audio, and you can actually, okay, first of all, you can upload your own audio. If you want like your own audio and all of that, you can definitely upload it. You just come here to upload, and then you will upload your own audio. But there are free audios here that you can use. Well, they're not all free. Some need the pro version. So they have happy, upbeat, fun, birthday, rock, so on and so forth. For me right now, I just want to show you guys as an example. What's this? Okay, and then if you want to listen to the song, just go on there, hover it until you see the play button. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna click this one. Excuse me, just for in case. So there's a cursor. Your cursor must be here in the beginning, otherwise your song will start on a whole nother see. So it will start wherever the cursor is, and then if you want to play it, you just come here in the corner. See, it's also too long. It's also too long, so let's just see how we did it here. It's 4 seconds and it's 3 seconds. Here it's 6 seconds, too long, 5 seconds, right? So I am just gonna hover until I see this double arrow, drag it until it's like 3.7. That's fine. And then here it can also be like 3. That's also fine. Let's see if it's fine. Let's play it. I absolutely love it. And then once you are happy with everything, once you are completely happy with everything, just click on share and then click on download. And then you want to download the intro. Just say download. Make sure it's 2 pages like you see it here, and then it will play on your desktop. It should go straight to your downloads depending how your laptop is set up. Okay, you guys, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys did learn everything that you needed to learn. I hope you guys are going to be doing your intros and tagging me and all of that. I would really appreciate it. Tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends that there's a YouTube channel here teaching you guys everything you need to know about designing things for your online platforms. Okay, thank you. And as I said, if it's not something that you want to do, you have a lot on your hands and stuff like that, you can hire us. My details will be down below. Let's talk. Let's make your intro. Let's make your outro. Let's make your banners. Let's make your social media posts. Let's get it. Okay, but anyway, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Mwah.